Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Shower Caddy by Gigecor. So let's unbox it. You can see the top and bottom pads coming out, the towel holder and the arms for the shelves themselves, and then all of the bars. You can see the little bag that came out that has some pieces that we're going to use as well. So let's assemble this and see how it looks. Alright, so we've seen all the pieces on the desk. I want to show you a couple of things before we go and install it in the bathroom here. First, you want to look at this one here with the black piece. This is your extender one. It might be loose already. If it's loose, you'll see if you twist it, it's going to lock into place. Twist it the opposite way, counterclockwise, then you can adjust it again. You're also going to see this smaller piece here. This one has a spring in it. You can use this once you've locked this into place, and this is going to help you put this into place tightly. I'll show you how to do that once we get into the bathroom there. One other thing I want to show you here is with the shelves. The shelves are most likely going to be either on that extender piece or on one of these pieces labeled A in your user manual. And if you just put one of these in, you'll see it just slides. But in the little bag that comes with it, there's these little white rings, almost clear rings. You can put these over top, and you'll see once you insert this here, that's going to hold it in place. Then if you want to adjust your shelf, just move your ring to a different spot on the pole, and you're good to go. When installing the little hooks, it's easier to slide them into place before attaching the rod to the shelf. So now to put it up in the bathroom, you can attach the part that has the spring on top with the little pad on it, and then you can put it into place. Here what I'm going to do, because I have a popcorn ceiling and I don't want to scrape it, I'm just going to extend that rod up very hard into that spring and then lock it into place so it has a lot of tension. Otherwise you can leave a few centimeters and kind of slide it in with that spring being compressed. And you're solid and good to go. So here you can see the space for the hand towel, a bunch of different sizes of soaps, razors, hand soaps, big bottles of shampoo, loofahs, and other little scrub gloves. A lot of space for a lot of different things. You can adjust the shelves for the different height of bottles that you have. Really great shower caddy. Thank you for checking this one out. We'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan, artist.